Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn about formula fields. Formula fields are read-only system-generated fields. Means we can create, but we cannot edit that fields. And formula field will be displayed on detailed page of record. Basically, formula field value will be generated by Salesforce by executing the formula or expression. Let's see. Here I'm open my application education, and in that I'm open school object. Here I'm open one school, Shivaji High School. Here we can see when I'm enter here fees of school and gives 10% discount on fees, then I want to make final fee automatically generated. So first we go to setup. After that, object manager, and name of object is school. After that, fields and relationship. After that, new, select your formula, and next. Field label is final, final fee, and formula return type is currency. After that, next. Here we can enter the formula. Here are Here there are two types of formula: simple formula and advanced formula. Here we can see these are the ready-made function which is provided by the Salesforce. Here we can also insert operator. These are the number of operators which is provided by the Salesforce. Here I am insert field fees, fees multiply discounts divided by 100. These are the formula of discounting. After that, click here, check syntax. Here, no syntax error in our functions. After that, select here if your formula references any number, currency, or percent fields. Specify what happens to the formula output when their values are blank. Here I am treat blank fields as zeros. After that, click here next. After that, next. This field added to school layout. After that, save. Formula field is successfully created. Final fee, formula, currency. After that, go to school. Firstly, refresh this. Here, I'm enter fee 5,000. $5,000 and discount is here. We can see final fee is still $0. And enter school fees is $5 and discount is 10%. After that, save. Final fee is automatically generated $4,995. In this way, we can create formula field. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.